Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Bigjim'sworkshop. Well, I don't know if you could tell. It has been doing nothing but pouring all day. This is the first time it has stopped raining all day. So, I decided today I'm going to start a rainy day project. I don't have everything just yet, but by the time you see this video, I will. I'm going to start building my new PC. I've got a lot of the parts, they're taking up space. I'm going to get them down by putting them actually together. So let's get started. Alright guys, well for stuff, we got ourselves a Ryzen 7 1800. We got ourselves an Asus Crosshair 6 Hero motherboard, along with 4x8 32 gig 3200 megahertz RAM Vengeance LED, because you gotta have that. EVGA Supernova 1000 G3 power supply, a Thermaltake faux ring, probably saying that badly, 240 radiator, Corsair Void headset, cooler Master Masterkeys L, all gonna be put inside of this bad boy, which is the Areocool with A7-C1 case with a tempered glass side panel, because why not? It's gonna have some Western Digital Blue SSD M.2, which I think is 500 gigabyte, and that is a Seagate 8 terabyte hard drive. What's still on order is a set of cables from Cable Mod, some more fans from Thermaltake so that they all match up, and my graphics card, which is still on order. Hasn't come in yet, but what can you do? Get started. By the time I get this up, it'll be all finished. It'll be in. So. Alright guys, well I finally got the computer up and running, as you can see behind me. Matter of fact, if you look closely, you might even notice I'm actually editing this video already. Because I got a new computer with a new operating system and new everything, I decided to upgrade the editing software I was using, so hopefully the videos will get a lot better from here. I'm sure you can tell by the light in here that I did manage to get the lights up and running. I bought new cheap eBay studio lights, but for what I can afford, better than nothing. But yeah, let's take a quick look at it. Aside for the price, DaVinci Resolve, the newest version, I think it's like version 15. Yeah. I don't know if you can see this or not. But the only issues I'm having is with the RGB. I want it all green. But for some reason I cannot get all the fans and the AIO pump to go green. Everything else I have gotten set up to go the way I want it. Except for those fans. One thing I'm thinking about doing is I don't like this. I'm thinking about putting a small hole right here under the mat and getting one of those plugs to put in there so that it won't be seen. That way the cables run underneath. And as you can see, everything is in there nice, neat, and clean. Able to check everything, able to get to everything. As far as the RGB that isn't working, I gotta wonder if my controller right there, this one right here, is either bad or not hooked up properly. It's something I'm just gonna have to play with and check. I'm hoping that's all the case because I don't know a whole lot about computers. But that'll be easy to fix, hopefully. If that's all it is, if it's just that controller, I'll get another controller, try plugging that in. I ended up having, because my motherboard only has a single USB 2.0 splitter on it, or not splitter, output, I had to get a splitter. It is a cheap Chinese piece of junk. It may not be any good, I don't know. I'll have to find out. It's just something I'll play with. But all the fans turn on, all the lights are working, the thermal temps are great. I only have one game on there, so I haven't done any benchmarking or anything like that yet. As soon as I get some new games and stuff like that, something I can actually do some benchmarking, I will do that and show you. I have not done any overclocking on it. I do plan on doing that eventually. Not massive overclocking, just a little bit to give me that little bit of bump. So, with that, I'm going to call this project done. Until next time, you guys stay safe, have fun. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do it. Hit the little bell button after that for notifications. Hit me up on Instagram and Twitter. I'm always posting pictures, or at least trying to, of the projects I'm working on, little things like that. Yeah. Until then, stay safe, have fun. Catch you next time.